Can EverWebinar be connected to GoHighLevel? The short answer is yes, but there's more to it than just plugging them in together. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make them work together for your business. Before we dive in, don't forget that you can try both EverWebinar and GoHighLevel completely free using the link below, plus get exclusive bonuses that will help you hit the ground running. Now, let's get into it. You've probably heard of EverWebinar, the software that lets you run automated webinars. It's fantastic for setting up evergreen content that runs on autopilot, saving you time while bringing in leads. But what about GoHighLevel? It's a powerful CRM and marketing platform used by businesses for everything from funnels to email campaigns to tracking prospects. Next thing, EverWebinar can indeed be connected to GoHighLevel with some basic integrations. The most popular way to integrate these two platforms is by connecting your EverWebinar registration and attendance data to GoHighLevel CRM. This way, you can automatically add webinar registrants into your GoHighLevel workflows. The fourth thing you need to know is that this integration is key for building more seamless automation. For example, when someone signs up for your webinar on EverWebinar, GoHighLevel can automatically trigger follow-up emails, text reminders, or even funnel them into a sales sequence based on their actions. Next thing, let's talk about using Zapier. EverWebinar doesn't have a native GoHighLevel integration, but with Zapier, you can connect them by creating custom zaps. This enables you to automate actions like adding webinar attendees to your GoHighLevel lists or sending webinar engagement data to GoHighLevel to track progress. This saves you from having to manually upload data, keeping everything streamlined. Next, let's go over some of the benefits of this integration. Connecting EverWebinar with GoHighLevel allows you to capture more qualified leads. You can segment your audience based on webinar behavior, follow up automatically with content they're interested in, and even tag them based on how they interacted with the webinar. The possibilities for personalized follow-ups and nurturing are almost endless. Now, before we wrap up, remember, if you want to try EverWebinar and GoHighLevel for free and access our exclusive bonuses, click the link below. You'll get an extended free trial, so you can test everything out without spending a dime. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your exclusive trial through the link below.